5000 Delta 6639 Heavy.
29 Heavy, fly heading 280.
Approach to Lucas 248, we're 8,877 south, direct Rockney.
Traffic 248 northbound. 229 Heavy, contact departure 135.1, deploy.
35-1, Zippy 29 Heavy, good day.
902, maintain 180 knots or greater, and then the altitude maintain 3,535.
180 knots or greater, maintain 3,500 feet, Delta 902.
902, south 1 o'clock, 3 miles eastbound, I'm heading 2,000.
Looking for traffic, Delta 902.
669 Heavy, so maintain 5,000.
Down to 5,000, Delta 6629 Heavy.
902, try heading 250, intercept 8 left, the last.
Heading 250, intercept 28 left, Delta 902.
248, set to maintain 6,000.